Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice. Now let's add the fillings. Start with the bright yellow pickled radish and some crunchy julienne carrots in the center. Next, place a strip of perfectly cooked egg omelet right alongside the fresh seasoned spinach for rich, savory flavor. Now, use your fingertips to hold the fillings in place as you start to roll. Seal the final nori seam with a few grains of rice or a dab of water. Let it rest for a moment before slicing. Slice into beautiful, bite-sized pieces, revealing the colorful spiral inside. Your perfect homemade kimbap is ready. Please subscribe and like for new food information updated daily. Leaving a small border at the top.